Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about turning on or using stars in your Gmail inbox, which basically marks them as important. So it basically is a good reminder to remind you to check out that email later. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do, just go to your inbox here and select the little star icon. It should not be visible, or it should be a transparent star that doesn't have anything inside of it. If it's just in normal mode, it's not currently being selected or highlighted as important. So you want to go ahead and just click on the star until it lights up yellow, meaning that it will now be stored, and it should hopefully serve as a good reminder to check out that entry later in the day or come back to it the following day or weeks later. And if you want to check out your starred items later, you should be able to select starred over here on the left side, and you should be able to see those entries in here that you might have starred previously. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.